Hello, this is Ramon Alfonso from ADEX Ceramics, here again with you. We would like to share with you this time one new collection, Habitat, that we hope very soon will be one of the favorites among our customers. This is a new line in wall tiles, in white body, that has all the necessary to catch your eye. Let me briefly tell you a little bit more about this novelty. Let's discover Habitat. Habitat has three new sizes, 6.5 by 26, 6.5 by 13, and 13 by 13. And all the different sizes are combinable with each other. Habitat has 6 amazing colors, and moreover, each color is available in 2 different finishes, matte and glossy. That means you have endless possibilities of decoration for interior design. I want you to also pay attention to the astonishing surface of the tiles. The rich variety of reliefs in Habitat, along with the fantastic shade variation of the colors that we achieve thanks to the more traditional way of production in ADEX, make this collection to have a real handmade look. Habitat also comes with a huge range of complementary pieces, moldings and matching corners available in all colors that will allow you to reach the perfect installation in your project designs. Finally, the modern range of colors and the straight edges of the tiles make this collection to be a perfect fusion of modernity and tradition in ceramics. Discover all that comes with Habitat.
It's